Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. And this is my commercial work. I shot it a long time ago. The base image was a black and white film I used, then I tinted colors on that black and white photograph. I tinted analog age. Then this time I want to try to digital coloring on this image. And I made this image line drawing type by Adobe Photoshop. Used a filter called Find Edges. Then make this block line. Okay. Now I'm gonna move this layer between this line image and the base image, and also I'm going to change the blend mode, this line image, to darken so we can see through underneath of the base image. And also base image I'm going to fade it out, just not this one, fade it down so I just see the image and colors and stuff. Then I'm gonna put watercolor on this, and concept is, well, she's thinking some kind of fun or happiness or something like that, so I'm gonna make a lot of colorful watercolor clear coloring on this layer, then make it some nice color image. Well, let's get started. I'm going to choose the watercolor brush first, which is bigger one first, watercolor wash flat. Okay, then select the color. Well, let's go for face color, skin tones first. This is top lighting, so overall light dark one is surround the face, so I'm gonna make a more darker color here, and then more water to blend it into the light area, light side. Okay, now I'm gonna add another layer for makeup. Well, okay, purple on eyeshadow and the lips red. Make some lips here. Then change the brush to watercolor round detail because it's so small. Okay, and make this one down. Less water. Okay. I'm gonna make some eyeshadows area, which I think watercolor wash flat to make it smaller. Then a little more thin, just water. I think I'm gonna blend it to bluer color. I'm gonna add some shadow area. Now I'm gonna add another layer for hair. Pretty dark, but I wanna make some texture on the watercolor. Watercolor wash flat and darker. It's colored on this hair accessory here. I'm going to change the texture on that this. Okay, now I'm going to add some accessories, earring. Well, let's make another layer for this. I don't know. I may change the layer blend mode, so just in case. So on a pink. Okay, now let's go for some kind of yellow horse shirt, real colorful, which I tinted on black and white paper before, but let's make it closer. Now let's go with this. Okay, almost done for foreground, like her. Let's see the hair first. Check it out. Maybe. Well, I'm gonna change this layer mode later. Color burn or something, darker color to make it more clear. Add layer and add some background color with large size and a lot more water, and let's see the background. Okay, now I'm line drawing type image, which is this black line. Tone down maybe 70% or so. I'm gonna take this one create empty mask, convert, then invert mask. So now I'm gonna reveal some which I want the lines in. Reveal on this mask. It's already attached here, like so. But I want to hide these outlines. But I want to show reveal this inside. So pencil lines. I will see the mask here. Then now I'm gonna show this base image. First of all, I'm gonna duplicate layer just in case. Then just turn it off, keep it, it's the same image. Keep this one down, then that's strange. This image should be some kind of bug. Anyways, I'm gonna, create mask on this, convert, then invert the mask. Okay, I have this image behind it, so I'm gonna reveal on the same brush, soft chalk, then make it maybe this big. Okay, now reveal from here, touch real softly. Let's see, change the brush to give it some texture on this, painting, and wet brush 1. That's neat brush. Okay, make it bigger like this. It's moving. We wanna there's some kind of red on her skin tone. Let's give it then watercolor. This is one. Okay, I'm gonna touch up some, maybe this. Check water brush, reveal, and then this one, same thing, reveal, hide. Okay, I'm gonna some background with watercolor. Okay, I guess that's about it for today. Well, hold on a second, let me fix this. Yeah, I want to hide this around here. Okay, I guess this is it for today, and thank you for watching this video, and I see you next time. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye now. Ciao.